Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, now about Polygon MATIC records 22% weekly gains despite crypto winter. Here's why. As the merciless crypto storm slowly begins to fade, most of the top 100 cryptocurrencies have been left licking their wounds, while only a select few have managed to record profit in the double digits. Paving the way for a crypto renaissance, Polygon MATIC is one of them is a layer 2 solution compatible with the Ethereum ETH breakthroughs yesterday when MATC4 is accelerator program. The company has plans to be among the leaders in Web3, so building on the top smart contract platform is a top priority, especially with ETH to just around the corner. Polygon MATIC expresses its all-time low at 0 to 31 on June 18, but has signs at the time of writing according to CoinGecko. Polygon MATIC going to Disneyland on Web3.0 technologies including artificial intelligence, augmented reality and, of course, NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Polygon MATIC is the only Bitcoin company to have been selected for this year's accelerator class, at which participants will contribute to connecting connecting the 2022 class with the creativity, imagination, and expertise of Disney. Rapid mainstream adoption and the array of large projects moving to the Polygon network has been key to the network's long-term success. As a result of this factor, the Polygon network now hosts the brand new Reddit NFT marketplace and manages Celebrate Sprite Month with its exclusive NFT collection. Polygon MATIC is perceived as the Bitcoin to have gained the most from those troubles and the damage of Terra Luna, as now many of the Terra network's top projects have elected to migrate onto Polygon. Finally, Finally, many of the top crypto platforms now offer liquid staking for MATIC. Mini holders can earn rewards up to 30% APU. In time of extreme crypto market conditions, it is important to understand the reason behind the success of the few crypto companies that have still managed to record sustainable profit. You can this article for information purpose only and shall not be considered trading or investment advice. Nothing herein shall be considered be financial, legal, or trade advice. Trading forex, cryptocurrency, and CFDs process unconsiderable risk of loss. CryptoFlows News: Bitcoin claims Disney collection Polygon ETH security. Shiba Inu beats Polygon in the crypto race business lose to Ethereum SHIB. Mr. Guest Michelle Solar says Ethereum is aggressive security. Tadeusz Klimacic is a Bitcoin journalist and content creator focusing on the latest tendencies of the crypto for and digging deeper into specific innovation like machine NFT is coming and NFTs and metaverse fast appearance in social media let studies quickly for what's going to in the crypto industry and deliver a story with a unique spin. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm so sorry for your mistake. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, goodbye.